Good morning, student. Our topic is elasticity. How to measure the demand elasticity. Before going to measure topic, I want to tell you graphical representation of uh, elasticity. Suppose on the y-axis it is price and quantity. So this is 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees and 20 rupees. This is demand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Price in rupees at now. If the demand graph is of 45 degree, this 45 degree indicates elasticity equals to 1. Elasticity of demand equals to 1, that is unitary. Here you see the percentage change in the demand equals to percentage change in the price. This much change in the price result this much change in the demand. So price changes by 10%, demand changes by 10%. Demand increases, price decreases. Price increases, demand decreases. So this type of graph, when it is of 45 degree, it indicates the change in the demand, elasticity of demand equals to 1. You can write quantity here, you can write price here. On the x-axis, it can be price or it can be demand. Suppose this is price, this is quantity demanded. Price 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 20 rupees. Quantity demanded 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. See, if the demand curve slopes like this, more than 45 degrees, the slope of the demand curve is more than 45 degrees, means the change in the price is more and change in the demand is less. See, price was 10, demand was this one. Now price changes by 15, but the demand changes by this one. Only the demand decreases from 30 to near about 28, but the change in the price is 10 to 15. 5 rupees change, 5 rupees increase in the price, but decrease in the quantity is 30 to 28. The percentage change here is 10 to 15. It means there is a 33%. 50% change, 50% increase in the price result only 10 or 20% decrease in the quantity, means this elasticity is more than 1. Elasticity of demand equals to more than 1. If this graph becomes perpendicular almost like this, near about 90 degree or 90 degree, equal to 90 degree, it means the price is changing. Price is increasing or decreasing, but there is negligible change in the demand. The demand remains constant at all the prices. It means the elasticity of demand is 0, infinite, inelastic. So the demand is inelastic, equals to 0. That is less than 0. There is no change in the demand. The fourth category is, suppose the demand curve slope is less than 45 degree. See, the price was 15, demand was 10. At the price 10, the demand increases by 50. See, the 50% decrease in the price result 400% increase in the demand, means the elasticity of demand is more than 1. Elasticity of demand is more than 1. It means the change in the price is less. Either the price is increasing or decreasing. Suppose the price was 5 and demand was this one. But when the price increases 5 to 10, the demand decreases by this much to this much. This change in the demand is less than in compared to the change in the demand. This is the fourth category, the fourth type of elasticity. That is elasticity. Elasticity of demand is less than unitary, less than 1. The fifth type of elasticity is infinite elasticity. Here the change in the price is negligible change or unchanged. Suppose the price remains 10. Price is not increasing, not decreasing, but the demand sometimes increases, sometimes decreases, sometimes increases. Means at the same price, the demand was 10 at one time, 50 at another time, 30 at another time. Means this type of demand is fully elastic, that is infinite demand. Elasticity of demand equals to infinite. So these are the 5 categories of elasticity in a graphical representation. If we want to show all the types of elasticity in one diagram, so here see, this elasticity is elasticity of demand equals to 1. Here elasticity of demand equals to less than 1. Here elasticity of demand equals to infinite. Here elasticity of demand equals to more than 1, and here fully elastic, inelastic demand. Elasticity of demand equals to 0. So we can by slope we can identify what type of elasticity it is.